let me know what your favorite breakfast is. Mine is this cinnamon oatmeal and the 5-minute. I have here my water and a little bit of milk. You can use just water. I added in 1.5 cup of oatmeal, and I'm gonna let this simmer for 5 minutes. That is it. You just let this oatmeal cook by itself 5 minutes. Give it a quick stir and just let it cook on the low heat. After 5 minutes, this is how your oatmeal is going to look. And you go ahead and add in more cinnamon if you want more cinnamon, but have your cinnamon sugar. I added in nice amount big. Remember, we're looking for healthy, not a lot of sweetness. So went in with a little bit of sugar, cinnamon, and your oatmeal is ready and it's ready to be served. And I'm not going to be controversial. I'm from Africa, and we always add evaporated milk onto our oatmeal. So there you go, it's ready and it's nice and easy. 5-minute breakfast cannot go wrong, but sometimes I get lazy making this. See you later.